Hi, Leo. This is Jeffrey. This is Red Color. And this is your 3-card reading for the last week in December, the 27th through about January 3rd, which includes the new year. I don't know if I should wear the glasses or not wear the glasses. Okay. Please like, subscribe, share, press the button for notifications. I am offering 30-minute readings for $30. All the is below. As some of you know, I do a different order every week, and I'm starting with Leo because that's what I heard to do. So that's what I'm doing. One more. Happy New Year. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right. It's pretty simple, actually. I could make this into a 30-minute reading, but let's get to it. Queen of Pentacles. So the Queen of Pentacles is very practical. She's very nurturing. She's abundant. She's very nurturing. She, and she understands money. She knows how to make money grow. She knows how to budget. And she has a plan. She has a plan. And, this might be about the new year, about how you're going to move forward. This is sometimes this is about partnership, but it's also about choice. So you might have two choices. You might decide to, involve somebody else, or you might decide to go on your own. This is also sometimes about import-export, but import-export doesn't necessarily have to be something overseas. It could also be, obviously this is kind of an overseas card, but it could also be, sending something out and receiving something back, right? But, it could be across the street, especially if you live near a river or a bay. So, the Queen of Pentacles is very patient. So she's contemplating this stuff. And then we get the Hermit. The Hermit is about trusting your inner guidance. It's about knowledge. So I feel like you're thinking about something and you're planning something and you're deciding about something, but not until you really get to, there's like a scholarship to this card, a scholarship, a knowledge. This could also involve talking to somebody who is quite sage, somebody who has experience, somebody who understands. And, since you have this patience thing going on, since you have, all queens are patients. So since you have this patience, it's like, you're thinking about making a move, you're thinking about taking an action, which is fine. And you're going to do a lot of research first. So it's like a researchy week. I should write a dictionary. It's a researchy week. Yeah, you're going to, should I do this? Should I do that? You're going to check it out. Talk to people. It's good. It's planning, planning. That's what I'm getting. It's like it's planning for the future. That's what I'm getting. Anyway, if you want a one-on-one, all the information is below. Blessings to you, and have a lovely, lovely New Year and a lovely week.